Hey, welcome back to a new video. How you doing? Hope you're well. So we're back working on Rob's van today. Obviously we had good news last night of obviously what's the matter with our van, but we're not going to do that till tomorrow. Rob's got to go down and get his gas heating fitted today. Oh, tonight. Tomorrow actually he's getting it fitted, but he's going down tonight. So we're going to try and get like some electrics in for him and his bed built and stuff, so we can actually sleep in the van with a bit of comfort. So I'll flip the camera around and I'll show you what we're actually going to try and get done today, but we'll see how much we actually get done. Right, so Rob's just peeling back his nicely done Reflectix here, because we're going to put in a wood beam across there for his bed, the same as that one. Right, so I've come back to the van. Rob and Tabitha have been out here for, I don't know, maybe a couple hours now. I've been inside editing a video, and I've come back out and I've finished the bed off. So this is what the bed looks like, all finished off. Like legs going down, obviously to add extra support. Everything else is done. We just need to get the mattress on it and let it start rising. But before we do that, we're going to vapor barrier that side, and then put some plywood up that side as well, because there's no electrics running down there. All the electrics are running down this side. And good news is, we have more cable. Amazon's just dropped it off. That's for the split charge relay. We have terminals as well, so I can finish off stuff, especially the split charge relay, and all bits and bobs. So we're going to get the split charge relay done, the inverter fitted as well, and then whatever else we can manage to get done before Rob has to leave. Alright, so now the bed's all done. We're going to crack on with fitting in the split charge relay and the inverter. They're the two things next we want to get well, we definitely want to get them done today, so I'm going to crack on. But we've got some 16mm cable here. I think it's rated at like 60 amps. It should be enough. It's the same rating as what they supplied anyway, so yeah. But we got a longer one because it needs to run from the battery, which is in the footwell here. And then we're going to run it under the seat, and then we're going to come around here, and then run it down the back of the seats, and then along that wall, and then over to the C-Tech B2B charger, which is underneath the bed. So I need to put on a terminal on this end first, and then figure out how long it needs to be. Right, so I'm under a bed, but literally all the electrics are done. We've got what we want to get done today. Now Rob can go down to get his gas heating fitted with some electric to charge his phone and stuff like that. But let me twist it around and I'll show you what we managed to get done. So this is what it looks like at the minute. It looks like a bit of a mess, but I'm going to get him to get a bus bar for this side, for all the power coming out of the battery, because at the minute there's loads on there. So I'm going to get a bus bar, get him to get a bus bar so we can tidy that up, so there's just one cable coming from the positive up there somewhere. But yeah, so we have the inverter fully fitted now, working, that's charging that light. And then we've got the B2B, that's working and fitted, and the solar power, and that's working and fitted. And we'll probably do the same, get another bus bar, smack the camera, for the negative end, which is kind of down there on that like bar. So we're going to get another bus bar for down there, so there's not loads of them cables running, tidy it all up. But for now, that's working, and he's all sorted to go.
Right, so we've been working hard all day, but we've got a sticker for Rob to put in his van, because he was really nice and gave us 2 of his stickers for both of us. We need to put them in the van, or find a place where we've actually built the van to put them in. But going to give that to Rob so he can put it in his van.
Cool, thank you very much.
There we go.
That'll be his second sticker.
Add that to my sticker collection.
Wear it with pride.
Yeah, thank you so much. Let's go. I don't know where it's going to go. Maybe on my fridge. But yeah. I've started putting some on the sun visors.
You get them from somewhere.
Yeah, so.
Cool. We also want to say thank you to David for buying a sticker as well. We'll send that out tomorrow now because it's quite late. But I think we're going to end the video here. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow.